1, 2, 3, ready, ready, 1, 2, 3, danger! Go, 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 go. Center. Right. Call it. Thank you. Communicate, Lily Kate. Let's go.
My camera isn't really...
Nice. Come on, Dommy. White tap. Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up. Nice. Call it. McKenna Green. Call it. Call it. Nice. Oh, she had that half a step on her. In the net, not the side. Let's go. Play it. All right, ready, 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 ready? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay. That's fine, I got this here. Look what I found! Really? Center it!
I got one, coach.
Okay, that's fine. Sub or play. Nice move, girl! Heads up! Defense, defense, Emmy. Defense, heads up. Lakin, come on. Yes. She's by herself. Where's her help? Get open, Green. Nice. Oh, what was that, girl? Come on. Whoa. Flat, let's go. Oh, it's a breakaway. Nutmeg. Come on for now. Up the field, ladies. North and south. Call it. Come on. Go, go, go. Nice move. Missy there doing nothing. Ooh. Say thank you. That's it. Dominique, you're a left forward girl. Lay it out in the middle of the field. Thank you.
This is so cool.
Dude, this is oh.
Alright. How many do you need?
Just as many as you want.
Alright, I'm just trying to fit everyone.
Call it. Let's go. Don't. Oh! Get that ball, Dominique. Get that ball, girl. Go get it. Go get it. Nice. Right forward's in her job. Go up the field, girl. Nice. Vernell's in it. Finally, go. You're outside's Green. Do we forget our positions? Do we forget our positions? Yeah, we need more of a field. Side of the field, Dominique. Side of the field, girl. There you go. Dude, that girl's got some foot skills, man. Dominique, you got to get around that. Center it. Dude, that girl's a defensive beast, man. Look what I found, Lily. Come on, Lily Kate.
There you go. I think I got it.
There we go. Don't lose it. Melissa on the wrong side of the field, girl. There you go. Look what I found. Yeah, almost. Whoa, Melissa, forward, up and down, north and south. Nice, Lakin. Come on, right forward, right forward, right forward, right forward. Call it. Vernell, out. Corinne, in, center mid, center mid, center mid. Not yet. Okay, good job, good job, good job. He's going to switch with Melissa. Watch. Play it. Nice. Come on, Emmy. Clear that ball. Up the field, Emmy. Let. McKenna Green. Watch off sides. Nice. Right mid. Oh, go up the field. Call it. Good job, girl. Oh, Missy. Come on, girl. Get that thing. Come on, Dominique. That's yours, girl. Oh, nice play, girls. Call it. There isn't one. Lakin, dribble the ball, girl. Up the field. Thank you. Beautiful. McKenna Green, go get that thing. That's yours. Oh, don't look at what? Ah, buggers. Come on, Corinne. Oh, left forward. Where were you? That's yours. Oh. Mullen. Shell, how much time are we on? Hey, Brooke, in 3 minutes, you're going to switch with Melissa, okay? In 3 minutes. Hey, look, right there. 4:23. Look at the big clock. Come on, Green. Oh, nice go. Nice try. Dominique. Oh, what did you stop for? Green, that's yours. I'm sorry? Okay, 409. Move with. Yeah. Hey, make it switch.
These are really nice seats you got us.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. Hurry up! Yes! Oh, just put it on! Does it matter? North and south! Go! It's a 4-on-2! It was. Let's go! All right, Vernell, you gonna be ready? Next possession. Oh. Play it! Come on, Corinne! Up! Oh, wait. She's not. It's theirs. Ah. Nice. You're offsides, Green. You're offsides. What? Yes, but she threw it in too fast. Come on. Oh! Corinne. Center mid. Let's go. All right, good job. All right, come on. Oh, come on, don't stop. Dominique, hey, you let that ball run right by you, girl. I don't want to see that again, okay? Let's go! Good job, Lily. Nutmeg. Up the field, Emmy. Nice. Defense. Side. Call it. Run throw. Come on, Dominique, get open. Cut! Let's go. Dude, I'm gonna have to put Suzanne in for Dominique. She's not. Dude, that other girl's like wicked huge. Look at him. Offside! 3 feet offside. Let's go, girls, go! No. Because it stops the play. Yeah. Oh! Call it! No, roll it. Right to her, Melissa. Thank you. Nice play for now. Good job, girl. Cross it. Oh, dribble up the field, up the field, up the field. I know, I'm sorry. Nice for now. It's a 4-on-4. Wow, look what I found. Who's defense? Look what I found. Look what I found. Oh, play it. Nice. Mullen! Hey, let's go. High patch. Come on, Lily, get some oomph. That's yours, Dominique, go. Nutmeg. Dribble the ball, Lakin, please. Nice move, girl. Oh, nice. Dominique, you okay? Are you good? You okay? Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. Let me get that out of the way. Sorry. Dominique, you're left forward, honey. Left. Thank you. Go, Amy. Ah! 30.
30 seconds, let's go!
Give me $20 for another 5 minutes.
I know. We start paying along.
I'll give you $20 for 5 minutes.
You gotta go to the coach on the other coach.
I know. Dude, this is the coolest thing ever.
It's awesome, isn't it?
But, you know, a 20-minute,
Send it!
then we can do, like, real subs rather than just, like, in and out type of
It's
thing.
tough because we try to accommodate as many kids as we can.
Oh, I
so
understand.
it works.
Shoot!
Nice. Good job, guys. Okay, guys.
That's it! Let's go! This way! Line up! Hey, guys. Let me grab her gear. Hey, balls! Ladies, ninjas, balls! Secure your gear! Good job. Are you okay? You don't feel good. Or you don't... Okay, this way, that way, go! I got it. As long as we got everything, we got it. I got your hat.
Got my hat.
I got your hat, yeah.
Good job, girls.
Come on. Awesome, thank you.
Shake the other girl's hand.
Hey. Hey, when they come over and they get done drinking the water, okay, we're going to do the quick shake, okay? Good game.